Hello, good morning, students. We are learning infinitives, participle and gerund. I told you in the last class infinitive, to infinitive and where infinitive. I gave some questions from your book, page number 95 and 96 for practice. First of all, I correct your answer. I will write on the board and you should correct your answer in your notebook. Take the answer. Question number third, page number 95. Page number 95. Question number B, third. Give me something that I can eat. Here we have to remove can eat. So you will write give something to eat. Here to use to eat for I can eat. Number 4. Give me. Question number 4. Here are some bills that he must pay. Here in the sentence must pay is to remove. He has some bills to pay. He has some bills to pay. Question number 5. He arrived early so that he could swim. He arrived early to swim. He arrived early to swim. Question number 6. He has 3 sisters whom he must provide for. He has 3 sisters to provide for. And question number 7. They started pushing the car. Here they started to push the car. Take your answer correctly. And these questions are related to infinitives. And today in this class we will study participle. We will study today participle. Here, a student, he is writing a letter. I saw a running dog. In this sentence, he is writing a letter and saw a running dog. These words writing and running is participle. Participle, it is a verb and an adjective. Also here we use a verb and here this running word is used as adjective. So participle were used in third form having a diet, a heavy diet. He felt on the bed. Having a heavy diet, he laid on the bed. Here, having a heavy diet. Here, having also participle. Now we can say that participle are categorized or participle are of three kinds. Participles are three kinds. First, present participle. Second, past participle. Third, perfect participle. Perfect participle. पार्टिसिपल तीन तरह के होते हैं, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, हैविंग और ये थर्ड है परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल। प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल का फॉर्म होता है वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी। प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल का फॉर्म वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी, जैसे रनिंग, गोइंग, etc. The past participle is third form of the verb. It ends d, t or n. For example, played, learned or hidden. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का फॉर्मेशन होता है इट एंड्स एट डी, टी और एन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लेड, लर्नड एंड हिडन। परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल क्या बनावट होता है हैविंग प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। having plus past participle. Having, for example, having written having taken tea. Here having past participle and third and plus past participle. Having plus past participle. हमने देखा कि पार्टिसिपल तीन प्रकार के होते हैं. पहला प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल जो जिसका फॉर्मेशन होता है वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी, जैसे रनिंग, गोइंग. सेकेंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल जो वर्ब का लास्ट में होता है डी, टी और ईएन, जैसे प्लेड, लर्न, हिडन. थर्ड है परफेक्ट पार्टिसिपल हैविंग प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, हैविंग रिटेन, हैविंग टेकन डाइट. अब हम लोग एक एक करके तीनों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे विद एग्जाम्पल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I start present participle. Present participle, first we use, it is continuous tense or it progressive tense. He is reading. They were writing. Here reading, writing is used in continuous tense. So first we uses of present participle we see in continuous tense. Second, an adjective. I saw a running dog. Here, it running, it is modified or qualified the dog. दौड़ते हुए कुत्ते को मैंने देखा. He is watching an interesting film. He is watching an interesting film. Sorry. That was an interesting book. That was an interesting book. Here interesting is from the verb interest. We say that we use in continuous tense for adjective, and now In this sentence, we had heard a dog barking. Here barking and here a dog barking. Here barking is used as a verb. Now second kind participle, past participle. Second kind of participle is past participle. I told you that formation of this participle is end, the verb end D, T or En. Example, played, sent, written. Here end En, end T or here the verb end D. Played, the verb ends at D. Sent, the verb end at T, and written, the verb ends En. The formation of past participle. Now we use a past participle. First of all, we use this participle in perfect tense. The present perfect, I have learned the lesson. Here the verb learned is past participle. You have gone to market. Here gone is past participle. First use in past perfect tense, present perfect tense or future perfect tense. It is a verb form of third. Third form of the verb is called past participle, and first we use in perfect tense. Second, as a एडजेक्टिव, एन एडजेक्टिव के रूप में, एज एन एडजेक्टिव, एडजेक्टिव के रूप में हम पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का रूप करते हैं. आई गेव ए रिटन कंप्लेंट to the officer. I gave a written complaint. Here complaint is adjective and written, here written is qualified the complaint. written complaint लिखित रूप में, लिखित शिकायत हमने ऑफिसर को दिया, शिकायत है जिसका ये क्वालिफाई कर रहा है रिटन. I gave a written complaint he saved an injured dog. He saved an injured dog. Here dog is noun and injured the past participle that he used here for as a adjective. I saved an injured dog. ये injured ये एडजेक्टिव के रूप में काम कर रहा है क्योंकि ये क्वालिफाई, ये विशेषता बता रहा है डॉग का कि वह कुत्ता घायल था जिसको उसने बचाया. थर्ड, here the sentence, the children left the impetite can. Here impety, the third form of impetite, cans. It is also as an adjective. Now third kind, that is past participle having plus past participle. We will study next class, but I will some example for practice for you, and you should note down in your copy. Underline the participle and name them. I will give you some questions and you should underline the participle and name whether present participle or past participle. underline the participle and name them. Question number first, they have eaten their food. Second, he is not appearing at the exam. I gave some medicines an injured person. You can give your written complaint to me. He saw a flying kite. And these questions are for your homework, and I will check your answer next class. Thanks.